Our big focus remains Wayanad. It's day 2 of the rescue operations there. Over 140 people have died and about 186 others were injured after a series of landslides hit Kerala's Wayanad district amid heavy rain yesterday. Hundreds more are feared trapped, with government agencies carrying out rescue operations in the affected areas. We are actually told that several families have reported that their loved ones remain untraceable. The Indian Army has deployed about 300 personnel for search and rescue efforts in Wayanad, while 140 are on standby in Thiruvananthapuram in case the need arises. The landslides, as you can see, have destroyed several houses, uprooted trees and made water bodies swell, hampering the rescue work. In fact, naval teams and helicopters from the Air Force were mobilized to assist the National Disaster Response Force and the Army late last evening. Defence Ministry officials said disaster relief teams have also been dispatched and rescue dog teams are being airlifted. But you know, Kerala has been battered by incessant rain in the region, with blocked roads complicating relief efforts. The state actually recorded 372 mm rainfall within 24 hours before 3 landslides hit Wayanad district within the span of 4 hours. As far as the forecast is concerned, the Weather Department has predicted more rain for Wayanad and several other districts over the next couple of days. This alert has actually been issued for Idukki, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur, and 4 districts are under orange alert: Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam and Ernakulam districts. The landslides, as you can see, have left a trail of destruction, with several houses destroyed, water bodies swollen and trees uprooted. In fact, the picturesque villages of Mundakai and Attamala have been cut off from other areas, leaving many people stranded.
These families were trapped on the other end of the Wayanad region after the landslides, and using the ropeways, they all have been rescued thanks to the rescue and relief team that was here. Let me see if I can go across to these people to give you a picture of what really happened. वहाँ पे क्या हुआ था? कितने दिन आप फंसे हुए थे वहाँ पे?
इधर में?
हाँ, इधर में
बारसक दने ऐसा?
हाँ।
महीना 4 महीना।
4 महीना आप यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। कल से क्या हुआ था?
कल से कुछ खाना माना कुछ नहीं।
हाँ।
कुछ नहीं, किराया मिराया कुछ नहीं। हमरे को पैर लगाओ, एमपी मुकाम लगाओ।
हाँ। आपका मकान का क्या हुआ?
आपका मकान का है?
हाँ।
टूटे पाटे।
Seems like their houses have been washed away. They are being given food and they are trying to be shifted to a safer location. Here is one person with a child. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि वहाँ पे क्या हुआ था कल से?
कल यहाँ पे रात को पहाड़ गया।
हाँ।
वो फिर दिन में इधर हम आए देखने के लिए, तो इधर बहुत सारी लाशें पड़ी थी यहाँ पे। सो हमने किया कि हम्पी गांव जाएंगे, इधर नहीं रुकेंगे हम, इसलिए हम्पी अब आज गांव जा रहे हैं। आर्मी वालों ने हमें निकाला।
आप कहाँ के हैं?
हम राजस्थान के हैं।
राजस्थान। यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए आए थे?
हाँ, काम करने के लिए आए थे।
हाँ। अभी कहाँ जाने का इरादा है? गांव जाएंगे वापस?
हाँ, वापस गांव।
इस तरह का हादसा आपने देखा नहीं?
नहीं देखा, कभी नहीं देखा।
ओके। आपका बच्चे कितने साल का है?
बच्चा अभी 2-2.5 साल का है।
Just about 2 years old, and they haven't seen anything like this, and they have been without food and water for the last 24 hours, and the last 24 hours has been quite an ordeal that they had to endure. And this time around they want to go back to their village, go back to their home, go back to their family, and that's the sentiment that is being echoed by these plantation workers here. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Wayanad for NDTV. We have with us Kerala Minister Mr. Sasindran. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. Sir, what is your assessment of the damage that is being caused by the landslides?
The damage here occurred is a very vast effect and reactions. This much of people, this much of houses, this much of land, they are washed out because of the landslide. So the depth of the issue is very wide and larger. So we have to face all these one by one, and we have to protect the life and help the injured. Then we have to make proper medical facilities, food, etc., etc. So we are doing it very perfectly. Every forces available in India are here. They are working jointly. The result is good. I hope they can finish the work as early as possible.